So here are the 3 things you can practice every single day in order to become a better communicator. So check this out.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, author of the book I Love Public Speaking and creator of the Confident Speaker Conference. And here are 3 things you can do right now. So there are 3 kinds of people that you need to speak to every single day in order to develop your communication skills. Number 1, you have to improve the way you communicate with yourself. You know, every single day when you wake up, the first person that you have to impress is yourself. So the way you communicate, verbally, but more importantly, silently inside your head. You know, the self-talk going on when you're going inside a meeting, the self-talk going on when you're going for buying something. You know, how you talk to yourself really determines how confident you become. So change the way you talk to yourself. Number 2, change the way you talk to people one-on-one. So when you're speaking to people one-on-one, give them your highest attention, your highest presence of mind, so that people can feel your presence. Because if you can't do that, you can't be a great communicator. So improve the way you communicate with people one-on-one. And number 3, improve the way you communicate with people one-to-many. I call it one-to-many connection. So it's easy for most people to speak to people one-on-one, but how do you communicate with confidence when you're speaking to 5 people at a time, 15 people at a time, 100 people at a time, 2,000 people at a time? It can be a group conference call, it can be a phone conference call, it can be a Zoom call, a WebEx call, or it can be a presentation or a public speaking opportunity. So when you improve these 3 things, I can guarantee to you that your confidence is going to go high, your impact is going to go high, you're going to be a better speaker, and as a result, you're going to be a better leader, your lifestyle is going to grow, you're going to improve your income, your influence, your impact, and your entire lifestyle, and you're going to absolutely make a difference. In the world as a leader. That's my tip for you right now. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and come to the Confident Speaker Workshop. We're gonna train you, mentor you, and coach you to go to the next level in your speaking. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you, confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.